A quick one. I only got 5 minutes. We are a new company in Denmark, organic plant protein. We develop and produce meat analogs based on pea and fava bean. Our mission is to support this important reduction of meat production, and the way to do that is to have good plant-based meat analogs that consumers will like and will buy instead of meat. That needs we get a good texture, a good mild taste, and an acceptable price. And actually, I think we have a solution for that. We also have the mission to support the Sustainable Development Goals, which means that we confine our new technology only to organic production. The raw materials, as I said, pea and fava bean, chosen because it is very good crops in the Nordic area, good producers of protein that can be transformed into meat analogs. The heart in our production is an extruder, old technology, I think more than known for more than 80 years and used for many purposes. To some people, it is a very processed food, but actually, although it looks complicated and highly processed, in reality, what is happening in this extruder is simple, clean processes like kneading, heating, and forming. Actually, like baking meat, or actually like how we have produced pasta for many, many years. So this is not highly processed food. We produce a wide range of products that can be used for many different applications. I'll just show you a few samples on this slide. The important thing to focus is the qualities of the products. They are all organic. They are all soy-free and gluten-free. They are all without E numbers or any other chemistry that you can that many consumers will not like. We have achieved a mild taste, very good, because then it can be used for anything, and a good texture, very close to meat. We can supply these new meat analogs at a price close to meat. This is so important. Everybody are ready to change, but they are not ready to pay more. We have the solution. And maybe the most important, the climate impact of these ingredients. In the hydrated form, we produce it in a dry form, but when you use it, you have to hydrate it. And in the hydrated form, we have a very low climate impact, 0.9 kilogram CO2 equivalents, much lower than what you know compared to what you know from meat. Nutrient values are very close to meat, and together with good functionalities, this means that we can replace meat one-to-one in most of the dishes that we are used to eat in Europe. Meat in curry, bolognese, beef burger, product like that we can easily produce with a very good taste, acceptable to all consumers, I'm sure. Another possibility, which also is important to be aware of, is that we can replace part of the meat, i.e. 50%, half of the meat, we can replace with these new ingredients easily and with very good results in product like sausages and minced meat. Anyway, in Denmark, minced meat is a very big proportion of the meat consumption. So here is a huge potential, 50% just by making these products half and half. We see huge market possibilities. We are aiming mainly at the food industry in Europe and around the world. We also supply food service, and where we have been most successful till now is actually small packages for retail. And when it comes to food service and retail, you will see our company under the brand Plant-Made, which is what the brand we use for food service and retail. We are in several European markets in brands as Govinda and Profusion, as I show you in the lower right corner of this slide, and several more will come in the coming half year. You can find more information on two websites, as I show you here, plantmade.dk and organicplantprotein.dk. Both of them will be available in English. Thank you.